No peeking.
Okay, no peeking. Here, I'm gonna go over here. Okay. Just have him come over here, Mommy. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. You know what that is?
Yes.
What is it?
It is.
It's a Lego table. And it's got all your Legos on it. And here, look at on the sides. It's got all these different...
Get on, Amy.
Your Legos are all in there. Those are all different containers to keep your Legos in. And I already organized all of them for you. And look, it's got your Krusty Krab, SpongeBob, Indiana Jones, Crystal Skull, Rock Monster, still with guy in hand. And you have a chair that you can sit at here. And there's more over here too. See, there's another set over here. And then the other thing that we did too is we've got a box, and inside the box, that's all your magazines and all your Lego books. So you can sit up here and work on that. What do you think, Caleb? Do you like your birthday surprise?
Yeah.
Okay, now stand up next to